Hey guys, good morning. You know what? This is Sasani Peninsula. This is Masaki. So I just wanted to talk to everyone out there, man. I just wanted to let you know, guys. You know what? I do have rental apartments here, right here in Dar Es Salaam, Tanzania. So for all those people, man, all my people who are on vacation, they come to Dar. They're looking for a place, with their family, for temporary basis, short-term stay, or even if you are staying here for a while, just let me know. So this is one of the unit. This is the three-bedroom, three-bath apartment that I do have it here in Masaki. As you can see, we do have some African paints right here, right there, and you got more African paints. We have a nice dining table. Right here, we do have some flowers right there, but it might be for you. And these are another African print. This is one of the units, and I do have two bedroom. This particular unit is a three bedroom, and we do have the open kitchen concept. As you can see, nice cabinets. There is everything, fully equipped kitchen. Pretty much you have your pots, you have your utensils, you have your nice range here, you know, where you can cook anything that you want. If you get a bunch of stuff, we do have different glasses. If you are, hosting some friends over, you are well taken care. Fully sized refrigerator. As you can see, fully sized refrigerator. So you can pretty much have a lot of stuff in here. Pretty much a lot of it. For those people who are, into cooking, or they're buying drinks, beer and stuff, you got it hooked up. But the good thing is too, we do have all these nice balcony, and as you can see, because this is a peninsula, so the ocean, you can see the ocean on that side, and down there, that's the International School of Tanganyika, IST, and we do have a washing machine. Yes, so you can kind of you don't really have to worry about doing your laundry, because right here inside the apartment you will be able to do it all. Like, you can have everything. This is the mini hallway going to the bedroom. This is one of the bedroom, nicely lit bedroom. As you can see, well, kind of decorated with the cabinets, and you also do have a balcony right in your bedroom. There's a balcony here, pretty much you get to see the peninsula, sit back, you have your air condition right there, and you can sit back and relax in here. And this is one of the first bathroom in the apartment. It's a full-size bathroom, and this is a second. This is a second bedroom with the bathroom right here. It's a fully sized bathroom, and so for the second bedroom, air conditions and everything, and yeah, you can see here, and you do have a balcony. Yeah, you have another balcony. So it's all about the balcony, man, because you gotta get the views. You gotta see the Dar Es Salaam. It's pretty good. Like, you're gonna sit back sometime in the evening. Maybe you have some friends over. You have your maybe your boyfriend, girlfriend, or your wife. So you sit back here. You have your glass of wine. You pop a champagne or something. You can get the nice view. Like, even during sunset. Really, really beautiful. So yeah, so I mean, this is Dar es Salaam. This is Tanzania, and this is one of the apartment. This is a three-bedroom apartment, and let's walk down to the master bedroom. This is a master bedroom, pretty spacious, pretty big. You have your duvet, you got a big bed, you have your AC, nice cabinet, you have a big bathroom, a big bathroom. Pretty much, I mean, I think you can fit more than one person in there. So, and you do have to have a balcony. It's all about the balcony, I'm telling you. It's all about the balcony. You have to have a balcony where you can kind of sit back and enjoy the moment. If you're on vacation, you need that time of mind relaxation. You need that. You need to be here. You need to relax, and you can kind of get the whole view of the peninsula. If you look on that side, you see the ocean, and if you look on this side, you get to see Cocoa Beach just down there. There is Cocoa Beach. Um, you have lots of places, and this area, actually, this neighborhood is nearby lots of embassies and residences, ambassador residences, and government, top government officials residences. And we do have a lot of restaurants, lots of clubs, lots of bars. So you are at the location, at the centrally located area, uh, where pretty much is so conveniently close, in close proximity to a lot of things. So I'm telling you, if you have a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend. You have your family members who are visiting Dar es Salaam. If you're in Tanzania, or you just want to be, you have a weekend, you want a weekend getaway with your family, with your girlfriends, with your boyfriends, or even with your girlfriends. I mean, you just want to be away, you just want to sit back and chill, and we do have a pool and gym, so this is the place. If you want it, hit me up. I'm on Instagram at JNHans, at JNHans on Instagram. So if you hit me up, or even on Facebook, you can just hit me up, and I do have my number, +1 262 705 1877, +1 262 705 1877. Also, as you can see, that's a beautiful African paint right there. So let me know. I got you hooked up. All right, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching a video. If you have any question, just let me know. Text me, send me a message, and I'll get back to you.